Hi, say hi. What's her name now?
Samantha.
Samantha. Hi, Samantha. Show us your face, Samantha. Let's see. Pretty girl. Oh, yes. You want to come in on my arm? Let's see. Samantha is 3 years old, and she is a, what did you call it, eclectic?
She's an eclectus.
Eclectus. What a pretty bird. Look at this. I got a new bird friend. I just got a ride, and tell me your name again.
My name is Glenn.
Glenn, and Glenn's giving me a ride to my house as Samantha climbs over my shoulder. I can't even barely get to her. Hi, Samantha. I made a new friend. She's very friendly. Woo! Awful close to the face. I guess she knows where the camera is pointed, huh?
Yeah, she knows all about those things.
Oh, you know about the camera, huh? So we're getting a ride back to my house. I just went shopping, and have you ever given me a ride before?
No, I don't believe so.
No, okay, all right. No, you think you might have seen me before? Oh my God. Hi. Better that than my face. Okay, so we got eye to eye here. And so, what do you do for work?
I'm a cabinet builder. And
does she eat the cabinet up as you?
No, she generally doesn't. She's not a very good assistant, but she earns her keep, I suppose.
And she keeps the car clean.
Yeah, she's lacking
in housekeeping skills. But she's young. She's still she's gonna live to 75, and she's only 3.
Yeah.
So here, we're gonna get ay. Look at the star of the show. She's beautiful. Yes. This is So we got picked up in
Tricks.
Oh, look, Tricks. What else can she do? Oh, look at that. What an adorable kitty. No, it's not a kitty. Bird. Look at that. She's so flexible. And does she drive?
Yes, she does, actually. She does dashboard races.
And slides. I saw her slide before. It's the dance floor. This is the Parrot dance floor. All right. So here we go. We're driving. They picked me up. Yes, showing off. They gave me a ride at Princeville at the shopping center across the street, and now we're on our way to Cobb. Do you have anything to say to the audience, to the internet? No. Okay, we'll just keep it on you for a while. See what you might do. Look at that. Yes, I'm so impressed. You singing along? You singing along with the music? All right, I'm gonna put it down because my hand hurts. So you say goodbye. See, I'll close in so it's not so close to your face. Say goodbye. See you later.